Good Wednesday morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome to the channel, where I take you along on my ag trucking journeys in Nebraska and the Midwest, and other adventures in my free time has come about. Glad to have you along for the ride. Today we are going to be headed out to western Nebraska, to up around Arthur, to the renowned Haythorn Ranch. It's been mentioned a couple times, I believe, in the Yellowstone series, and pretty storied history out there. Haven't been there in quite a while, so looking forward to going back out there. I want to get this load knocked out today. We're supposed to have snow start coming in maybe late tonight or early tomorrow morning, and supposed to get quite a bit up in that area. So get this load knocked out, get it up in there, get the feed in the bin. That way they got feed for the cattle while the snow's on the ground. So again, glad to have you along and welcome you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Almost made it to my destination. Getting ready to turn off the highway here. And then it's about 4 or 5 miles back into the hills a little ways to where the house and the bin site's located. But pretty uneventful trip so far. But we'll get in here and we will get everything situated and lined up and start getting feed put into the bin.
Turn left onto Haythorn Drive.
A little bit of a tight turn getting in that gate and across the auto gate, but we made her. Now we'll get rolled back into the main, or to the ranch. Well, we've made it back home. Pretty successful day overall. Had a bit of a crosswind, actually a pretty good crosswind coming most of the way back across on the interstate, but it wasn't too awful bad. But we're going to pull in here. We'll get fueled up, get all of our paperwork for the day closed out, and get the truck plugged in because it's supposed to be pretty cold tomorrow morning, and get everything situated and see what the weather does overnight. He said by about 6, 7, it's supposed to start snowing in the morning, but we'll just have to wait and see. But last I heard, it's supposed to be going to Kansas. We'll see if that load still holds true or if we get sent somewhere else. But if I go south, the weather's not supposed to be too bad. So we'll just kind of have to wait, see how things play out. But want to thank you for riding along, joining me on this trip. If you liked what we did today, please leave a comment, like the video, subscribe. It helps the channel out. And hit that notification bell. That way you'll know the next time I post some content. But until the next trip, again, thanks for joining me. We'll see y'all down the road. And as always, keep the rubber side down and the shiny side up.